Another useful method is the keys method. So with this one, let's make another program to try this out. And we'll grab this phone book. And what we'll do is we'll say keys in phone book is equal to dot keys, and then let's just print what that is, just to see what we get. And notice that we get a dictionary. It says dictionary keys, and it gives us a list of keys in here. So often when we do this, we want this list here. So one way that we can do that is we can make that better is we can just put the list function in front of here. And then we get just the list. So if you convert the keys to a list, you'll get a list of just the keys. And maybe you want to do something with that. If you wanted to display it separated by commas, you could join it on a comma, and then what you would have is or maybe we'll put a space between it. And you can put a comma with a space between each one and get a nice list of the keys. So that's the keys method.